That road is messed up. Plow through it. See if we can. See if we can't get stuck. Oh. Oh my God. We're so gonna get stuck. Holy, that freaking drift. Oh jeez, this road. Look at this road. It's all freaking drifted. Yeah, you should probably got a head start on this. Look at the freaking drift. Oh jeez, look at that. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Here's where the school is. Oh my God! Look at the freaking drift. Oh my God! Oh, this guy's trying to plow through it too. Go on the other side. This is pretty bad. We're in England. These roads are freaking... We're so gonna get stuck. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this drift.